Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuit mousse. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, including about 200 grams of biscuits and 100 grams of butter. Make sure everything is at room temperature for easy blending. You'll also want to prepare your springform pan, ideally 20 cm, by lining it with parchment paper. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth process and a perfect final dessert. Now, let's create the delicious biscuit base. Start by crushing your chosen biscuits into fine crumbs. A food processor works wonders, but a rolling pin and a bag are also effective. Next, melt 100 grams of unsalted butter until it's fully liquid. Combine the melted butter with the biscuit crumbs, mixing until well incorporated. Finally, press this mixture firmly into the bottom of your prepared 20 cm springform pan. Moving on to the star of the show, the creamy mousse. First, soften 10 grams of gelatin in a small amount of cold water for about 5 minutes. While that's softening, whip 400 milliliters of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. In a separate bowl, gently fold together 250 grams of softened cream cheese with 100 grams of powdered sugar until smooth. This combination will give your mousse its rich, velvety texture. To finish, gently dissolve your softened gelatin and carefully fold it into the cream cheese and whipped cream mixture until everything is well combined. Pour this luscious mousse evenly over your prepared biscuit base in the springform pan. Now comes the hardest part: patience. Chill your biscuit mousse in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set perfectly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.